Glandular specialized epithelium. Number 3. Holocrine glands is a term used to classify the mode of secretions in exocrine glands. In the study of histology, holocrine secretions are produced in the cytoplasm of the cell and released by the rupture of the plasma membrane, which destroys the cell and results in the secretion of the product into the lumen. The whole cell is destroyed during secretions like sebaceous gland. There is also cytocrine glands, which transfer of secretory materials from one cell to another, such as the transfer of melanosomes from melanocytes to epidermal cells. Number 2, endocrine glands. Endocrine glands do not have ducts. Their secretions, hormones, are secreted into the bloodstream. Because of this, the hormones can act over long distance and reach any organ in the body to coordinate activity. Often there is a specific target organ that the hormones acts on. This long-range activity is also often called neuroendocrine, as is somewhat analogous to the coordinating activity of neurons. Some short-range endocrine activity also occurs in the digestive system, and this is known as a paracrine activity. For example, enterocrine cells of the gut respond to activity by secreting peptides of monoamines that act locally. The secretory cells of endocrine gland are therefore always found in close proximity to capillary beds and have a rich network of blood vessels. The signaling molecules released hormones are usually released by exocytosis by the secretory cells into the interstitial space and pass through fenestrated capillaries to enter the bloodstream and move to target organs. The target organs will have specific receptors for the hormones and can respond when the hormones binds. This means you should know the gland's hormone target organ cells and response to the hormones. The major glands of the endocrine system include pineal glands, pituitary glands, pancreas, ovaries, testes, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, hypothalamus, and adrenal glands. To simplify, there is small and main difference between exocrine and endocrine glands. Exocrine glands have ducts to let their secretions out like sweat gland. Endocrine glands are ductless glands, meaning their secretions are directly produced in the bloodstream. Number 3. Mixed glands have the two types. Number 1, a gland that contains both serous and mucous secretory units. Number 2, a gland that is both exocrine and endocrine. For example, the liver is the largest mixed gland and internal organ of the human body. A gland is more like a group of cells that makes and releases substance that is used elsewhere in the body. The pancreas gland works both as endocrine and exocrine gland because it's a glandular organ in the upper abdomen, but really it serves as two glands in one, a digestive exocrine gland and hormones producing endocrine glands functioning as exocrine gland. The pancreas excretes enzymes to break down the proteins.